Imagine a world where luxury meets wilderness, where power and elegance merge into one unstoppable masterpiece. The 2026 Rolls-Royce 6x6 camper is not just a vehicle, it is an experience, a rolling palace that redefines adventure in the most extravagant way possible. Built for those who believe exploration should never compromise comfort, this incredible machine takes the heritage of Rolls-Royce and extends it into territories no luxury brand has dared to enter before. From the first glance, the sheer size and presence of this 6x6 camper demands attention. The elongated frame, the signature Rolls-Royce grille, and the unmistakable spirit of ecstasy at the front create an aura of dominance. It is a statement of power and elegance. Yet beneath that refined exterior lies a beast engineered to conquer the toughest terrains. 6 massive off-road wheels stand ready to crush deserts, snow, forests, and mountains, making it equally at home on the highways of Monaco or the dunes of the Sahara. Step inside and the world transforms into a private sanctuary. The cabin is wrapped in the finest hand-stitched leather, exotic wood trims, and ambient lighting that mimics the stars above. Every detail has been crafted to perfection, because Rolls-Royce does not believe in compromise. As you settle into the driver's seat, you are greeted by a digital command center that merges traditional craftsmanship with futuristic technology. A panoramic augmented reality windshield projects navigation, terrain analysis, and weather updates directly into your line of sight. Meanwhile, the bespoke audio system surrounds you in crystal clear sound, transforming every journey into an immersive experience. But this camper is not only about driving. The rear section has been designed as a luxury living suite, a 5-star hotel room on wheels. Inside, you will find a queen-sized bed with memory foam and climate control, a fully equipped kitchenette with smart appliances, and a private lounge area with reclining leather chairs. Rolls-Royce has even integrated a compact spa shower and a fold-out vanity, ensuring that wherever you travel, your comfort is never compromised. The interior expands at the push of a button, as hydraulic panels slide out to create extra living space, blending luxury with practicality. The engineering beneath this masterpiece is just as impressive as its design. The 2026 Rolls-Royce 6x6 camper is powered by a hybrid V12 engine paired with advanced electric motors, delivering unmatched torque and efficiency. This powerhouse produces over 800 horsepower, ensuring that despite its massive size, the camper glides effortlessly across any surface. The advanced suspension system automatically adapts to terrain, while intelligent drive modes adjust power delivery for sand, mud, snow, or rock crawling. Rolls-Royce engineers have ensured that silence, one of the brand's most cherished qualities, remains intact. Even on rough trails, the cabin remains whisper quiet, preserving the calm, meditative atmosphere that Rolls-Royce owners expect. The off-road capability of this vehicle is staggering, yet it delivers it with the grace of a limousine. For adventurers, the camper is equipped with solar panels seamlessly integrated into its roof, providing renewable energy for long journeys away from civilization. The onboard smart battery system ensures that all your luxury amenities, from the lighting to the kitchen appliances, remain fully powered no matter where you are. There's also satellite internet connectivity, keeping you connected to the world while you explore the most remote destinations. The exterior has been designed with functionality in mind, featuring hidden storage compartments, deployable awnings, and even a rear deck that transforms into an outdoor lounge. Imagine parking on the edge of a cliff and opening the deck to enjoy a sunset with champagne, all while surrounded by nature yet immersed in luxury. That is the essence of the Rolls-Royce 6x6 camper, taking the impossible and making it effortless. The 2026 Rolls-Royce 6x6 camper is more than just an automobile. It represents a new era where the spirit of exploration collides with the pinnacle of luxury design. It is for the bold dreamers, the explorers who demand comfort while chasing horizons, and the visionaries who believe that travel should be as beautiful as the destination itself. In a world where most campers are designed with practicality first, Rolls-Royce dares to dream bigger, creating something extraordinary, something almost unbelievable. This is not just a camper, it is a rolling legend, one that will forever change the meaning of luxury adventure. So imagine yourself behind the wheel, the desert stretching out before you, the mountains rising in the distance, and the world at your feet. In that moment, you are not just traveling, you are living a dream. That dream now has a name: the 2026 Rolls-Royce 6x6 camper, the ultimate symbol of power, luxury, and freedom on wheels.